Hi my friends. Hope everyone is having a good day. Today we will talk about NFT. The largest global cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, launched its NFT marketplace last week. For those who have not yet met with the NFT, this is a so-called non-fungible token. Common cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum are interchangeable, but NFTs are unique. Each such unique token can carry digital content. NFTs offer the opportunity to own a specific copy of digital art, music or collectibles. NFTs are often seen as speculative investments. Many showbiz stars are now uploading their creations as NFTs to Binance. In order to buy something on Binance NFT marketplace, you must have an account with Binance. You will find a link to register under this video, and I have bonus for you guys. You can register on Binance Exchange using my referral ID or using the link from the description, and you will get a discount of 40% more on this in my other videos and on my site. Let's continue. Along with a video tutorial on how to buy or just see NFT. To get us started, it is necessary to deposit funds into the account and exchange them for either Ethereum, Binance Coin or Binance Dollar. We'll show you how to do it right now. First, open your wallet and choose to make a deposit. From the menu, select Fiat Currency Deposit. Now you have to choose the method of deposit. It is generally better to send money to a Binance account by bank transfer, but your account must be verified. I am always just transfer crypto from any different exchange or from my crypto wallet. Then you will need to exchange your currency into one of the currencies with which you can pay on Binance NFT, being Ethereum, in short ETH, Binance Coin, in short BNB, or Binance Dollar, in short BUSD. In our case, we will exchange USDT for BUSD so that we can buy a mystery box. We have now successfully exchanged USDT and we can see our BUSD in our wallet. At Binance NFT Marketplace, you can easily check how many currencies you have on your profile. If you want to buy a specific NFT and it is, for example, an auction, you can submit a bid. In the window you will always see current bid, and you can place your bid. If you won the auction, the appropriate amount of currency would be deducted and you would get the NFT you were bidding on. You can also resell the NFT for the price you set. In addition to digital artworks at the marketplace, you can also buy a limited edition mystery boxes for $20 billion containing a collection of 16 collectible characters. You have the option to get a collector's NFT, which can have different values from normal, rare, super rare or super rare. Mystery boxes will sell out very quickly and the last third wave will still happen in the future. Mystery box can be found in the mystery boxes section at the top of the menu. Eventually you will also be able to create your own NFTs on Binance NFT Marketplace. This process is called minting. Now, however, this option is intended only for artists who have been pre-selected by Binance within the 100 Creators and Innovative Creators programs. As part of the 100 Creators program, you can buy works from selected world artists, where for example this NFT is represented by the creator Luke Ross. It is also worth mentioning that Binance launched also second platform called Featured by Binance, where you can buy limited special NFT collections. In this case, it is necessary to attach a Ethereum wallet, MetaMask wallet, which you get by installing a plugin in Chrome, or another from these choose. It will certainly be interesting to see how the Binance NFT platform will do in comparison with other well-known NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea. An interesting opportunity to invest in digital art from artists all over the world. I hope someone will find it useful. If you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with crypto, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Right there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and use to algorithm will push the video out to more people who see the positive side crypto world. Thanks.